Buenos días, me llamo Rankudei. Hello, good morning, myself Rankudei. Soy el mismo profesor quien unos días antes presente unos videos sobre gramática española. I am the same Spanish teacher. A couple of days back I presented some videos on Spanish grammar. But today I am not teaching you grammar. I am teaching you how to present yourself. Self-introduction. Self-introduction in Spanish called autopresentación. So autopresentación is self-introduction in English. So I'll be teaching you this self-introduction in two ways. First in Spanish, then in Spanish along with their English meaning. By the way, I am telling you one thing, the self-introduction, to know self-introduction is very important, because in maximum private and official cases we are often asked to present ourselves, to introduce ourselves. So I hope you will be following this lesson very carefully. So suppose I am Pablo, I am giving my self-introduction. So Pablo is giving his self-introduction. Me llamo Pablo. Yo tengo 25 años. Soy de India. Vivo en Kolkata, particularmente en Nueva Ciudad. Mi lengua materna es bengalí, pero aparte de bengalí, sé español, portugués, holandés, japonés e inglés. Soy un graduado con honores en inglés. Ahora hago un diploma de español. Al mismo tiempo preparo para un buen trabajo. Now I'll be telling you everything of the self-introduction part in Spanish along with their English meaning, as I told earlier. So follow again very carefully. Me llamo Pablo. I am called Pablo. Yo tengo 25 años. I am 25 years old. Soy de India. I am from India, or I am Indian. Vivo en Kolkata, particularmente en Nueva Ciudad. I live in Kolkata, particularly at New Town. Mi lengua materna es bengalí. My mother tongue is Bengali. Pero aparte de bengalí, apart from Bengali, sé español, portugués, holandés, japonés y inglés. But apart from Bengali, I know Spanish, Portuguese, Dutch, Japanese and English. Soy un graduado con honores en inglés. I'm a graduate with English honors. Ahora hago un diploma de español. Now I am doing a diploma course of Spanish language. Al mismo tiempo, at the same time, preparo para un buen trabajo. I am preparing for a good job. Now I'll be taking down all the sentences I have used in the oral version. All the same things I will be writing down. Now you can take down if you are willing and if you find it necessary. Me llamo Pablo. Yo tengo 25 años. soy de India, vivo en Kolkata, particularmente en Nueva Ciudad. Mi lengua materna, mi lengua materna es Bengali. Pero aparte de Bengali, sé español, portugués, holandés, japonés e inglés. Soy un graduado con honores en inglés. Ahora hago un diploma de español al mismo tiempo preparo para un buen trabajo. So what I told very early, the same I have written down on board. Now I am one by one speaking out the sentence and with their English meaning. Me llamo Pablo, myself Pablo, yo tengo 25 años, I am 25 years old, soy de India, I am from India or I am Indian. Vivo en Kolkata, I live in Kolkata, particularly en Nueva Ciudad, at New Town. Mi lengua materna, my mother tongue is Bengali. Pero aparte de Bengali, but apart from Bengali, say I know Spanish, Portuguese, Holandés, Dutch, Japonés, Japanese, e English and English. Soy un graduado, I am a graduate with con honores en English, with English honors. Ahora hago un diploma. Now I am doing a diploma course de español, of Spanish language. Al mismo tiempo, at the same time, preparo para un buen trabajo. I am preparing for a good job. So I hope you have watched this very clearly and you got it very clearly also. And at the same time, I want to mention this thing, that these are the commonest expressions of a typical self-introduction. No matter for what purpose, you have to speak it out. But by the way, I am telling one more thing, that if you like, you can add some more points extra, like your hobby, something about your family, but that will come based on the situation, based on the type of the interview you are attending, based on the cases you are dealing. But dear friends, as I have already mentioned, again I am repeating that the points which I have mentioned already in the introduction part of Pablo, this is very much common. Most of the sentences are supposed to appear in your self-introduction as well. So learn this self-introduction very well, and the time you will find it necessary, I hope you will be able to apply all these sentences with the necessary informations about you. This will help you a lot and this will definitely come to your choice. So eso es para hoy. Espero que todos practiquen bien. Adiós, hasta luego.